un perro.
Oh, okay. Is that the doctor?
Sí.
Let's go call Fernie.
And
Calpurnia, Calpurnia, hay un perro.
Atticus, there's a dog outside. His name by the name of Tim Johnson. Can you please come to the house, please? All right, bye-bye.
¿dónde está el perro?
Aquí,
¿Dónde?
aquí.
¡Ahí vamos!
Ese perro me va a pagar. Espérenme, espérenme.
Ahí está el pinche perro, ahí está, ahí está.
Hey, Tate, shoot it!
I can't shoot.
Come on, do it!
I can't.
Why not?
Because you got the best shot in Macomb County.
Give me that. Hey, you can't do that.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No. No, watch out. No.
You can't. Let me take off these glasses. Catch, boy.
Oh, it's the glasses. Oh!
Tim, Scout, get back. That dog is dangerous, as dead as it's alive. Go back inside.
Right there.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. 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 You're a jerk.
No boy.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
No boy.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
No boy.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
No
You're
boy.
a jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
I'm so cocky with it. Got my eyes shut, closed like Rocky Head. Got your girl on my swag, she loving them jerking songs like the new iPod. Just touch it to turn her on, and when the bass start beating and the waist I'm beating. Done, I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in purse. I said it's none of your concern, and she yelled.
You're a jerk.
So